Hi, what you doing? Yeah? What? What is it? What is that? Is that Scotch tape? Are you putting them in your secret compartment? Are you hiding them all in your secret compartment? You hiding them? Yup. Yup, saving them for later. Yup, they're in there. There they are. Oh, well, it's later. Yeah. Yeah? He's determined to get it right. Do they have to be in a good order? Yeah. What are you doing, silly? Don't open that. Don't open that. No. You can't open it. Go play with that toy. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. You're too smart, Hayden. He's looking for it. Ow! He loves pinching my stomach. Ouch! Owie! Don't pinch. Don't pinch, mister. Don't pinch. What's wrong? What's wrong? We can't open this, Hayden. Hayden, we can't open it. Don't open it. Okay, put it in there. Oh, he's so cute. Hey everybody. Okay, so it's me, and look who else is here. Aiden! Yeah, where are you going? He's so cute. Where do you store your sippy cup at? There it is! Hayden puts his sippy cup in the back of his shirt, hooked on there. He hooks it on in the back of... Hayden hooks it onto the back of his shirt. Hayden! Is that where you keep your sippy cup? Oh my gosh. He has hooked it on. Oh look, he has hooked his pacifier on there too. Oh baby, you're such a character. Hayden, it's like a little backpack on you. Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? It's like a cat chasing its tail. This is so weird. Oh my god.
There it is.
Did it fall? Oh my, there it is. So that is your backpack. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Oh my god. Jimmy is trying to hook it back on him. Do you like it back there? I do. He's like, I do. Oh god, this baby's so cute. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? What are you doing? You're crazy. Oh my goodness. Don't think a nap is even, you know, question right now.
Somebody go get rocked.
Look, he's still trying to put it back there. Are you trying to hook it back on?
You got a big... Oh yeah, I think they're a couple in the fridge. No matter what I say, do not give me one.
Oh, dropped it.